Pentagon official has announced that the production of the B-21 Raider stealth bomber is moving forward. The U.S. Air Force has outlined its vision to deploy a fleet of a minimum of 100 B-21 Raiders, with the first aircraft slated to enter service in the mid-2020s, which is designed to replace the aging B-1B Lancer and B-2 Spirit. Russian Air Force's heavy cargo jet Il-76 has crashed near Ukrainian border. The cargo jet was carrying 65 Ukrainian war prisoners to be exchanged for Russian captives, along with 6 crew members and 3 guards. The Indian Army has begun fielding logistics drones to replace its fleet of mules for transporting military supplies. The unmanned systems must be able to carry loads in high-altitude areas of over 12,000 feet. Such drones can carry out last-mile delivery to troops deployed along the borders. A Myanmar military aircraft encountered a mishap during its landing at Lengpui Airport in Mizoram, India. The aircraft, identified as a Shaanxi Y-8, had reportedly been dispatched to evacuate Myanmar military personnel who had sought refuge in Mizoram following intense clashes with rebel groups in their home country. The aircraft was carrying 14 crew members, 8 of them have been injured. UAE Ministry of Defence has inked a significant contract with Estonian robotics firm Milrem to receive 20 tracked robotic combat vehicles and 40 Themis unmanned ground vehicles. The contract encompasses the delivery of tracked RCVs armed with 30mm Mk-44 cannons, Themis combat units equipped with 30mm M230LF remote weapon stations, and indirect fire systems.